Hi all of you, iniss exam for DM and MCH courses for October 2024 is announced. The date of examination is on 25th October 2024 and the online registration started, and the last date for online submission of registration will be on 14th of October. The total number of institutes participating in iniss exam is 19. Out of that, 15 will be AIIMS based institute and 16 will be JIPMER, 17 will be NIMHANS, 18 will be PGH Chandigarh and 19 will be Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology. Age limit and relaxation. The upper age limit is going to be 35 years for AIIMS institutes, 45 years for PGH Chandigarh, 37 years for NIMHANS, 50 years for Sri Chitra Tirunal, and no upper age limit for JIPMER Pondicherry. And 3 years of relaxation is for OBC candidates, 5 years relaxation for SC/ST candidates, ex-serviceman and benchmark disability candidates. The duration of examination is going to be for 90 minutes. The number of questions is going to be 80 questions and total marks is 80. The language is English and single best answer as objective type, and the correct answer will carry 1 mark and the incorrect answer will be minus 1/3, and the syllabus will be of general feeder branch, almost going to be 25 to 30 questions as last year, and rest 50 to 55 questions is going to be subspeciality and super speciality that you're going to choose for this exam. And the qualifying criteria in stage 1 is 50%. After qualifying stage 1, and those students who are applying for AIIMS and AIIMS institutes have to sit for the Viva and OC and interview program to get qualified on the stage 2, and a combined AML merit list and the CML merit list will be announced. The strategy for iniss October 2024 session: those students who already started the preparation 1 year or 6 months back, is the time for you to start your revision. Minimum of 3 revisions is required after you have finished all the videos in Speed Learning app once, and 3 times of revision of the PowerPoint slides that you have to do, and minimum take of 5 iniss latest grand exams. And if this could give you a complete coverage, and also I request you to apply leave for last 15 days before the exam if possible, then utilize a full time for your preparation. That would boost your rank to get the topmost rank and the specialty that you wanted in the institute that you wanted. Those student wants to start fresh after this announcement of this exam and 15 days before the exam or 20 days before the exam, is it possible or doable to crack this exam? In my experience of last 6 years that I have seen, those students of last 15 days of full-time preparation tend to tell us they have seen the Speed Learning app videos once of that specialty they wanted, and they have revised those PowerPoint slides of this notes of once, and have taken 5 grand tests of latest pattern of this exam of iniss. They have got a topmost rank and a good rank. So it is doable. Even if you start after this announcement, also it is doable, and it is not impossible. And in Speed, all the faculty members and team of Speed are here to support you and guide you and can help you. The resource that is built in Speed Learning app is actually 30 to 40% more than the actual standard of iniss exam. So it will definitely help you to crack this exam at ease, and definitely you will be able to achieve what you wanted and the dream specialty that you wanted in DN and MCH. And we wish you all the best and all the success and a great preparation, the great exam of iniss October 2024. Best wishes to you.